Smalley.
Clay. Oh, sorry.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today, me, Jasper, and Clay gonna do a little fishing. Clay, you know, he's a little camera shy. You know, he's got shorts on. He just don't want to be in front of it. I picked up this mystery box. Oh shoot, it's probably
already caught a fish.
He caught a smallmouth, bro. About the size of his wing, tiny. Anyways, Jasper here is gonna bum my tackle. I told him he could. This was kind of a short notice deal. Let's see what we got working in here. You know, I don't anticipate a lot of good stuff for river fishing. I could be wrong. The main reason I like these boxes, they all come with a sticker. Right off the rip, I see something that would be good. Bandito bug. This is actually some of my favorites. Probably won't use this here because I like using these on the lake. So, some little pink swim bait looking things. Their color changing. What the f does that mean? I ain't seen that before. Got a jig. Add that to the collection. Now this is kind of dope. Some top water. It's got like 2 splits in it. Gonna snake its way around. Uh-oh. He's in trouble. Couple little hooks. And a cool sticker. Well, to be honest, none of that's gonna be real good on the river. So, we'll go through my real tackle box. Alright, so I'm going to be throwing a Texas red crawdad. I got a 3/0 hook on here. Don't really recommend it. I'm going to recommend Jasper. I always use the Gamakatsu hooks. A 2/0 with bullet weight. And he can throw the same thing I'm throwing and pick a different color. All these usually work pretty good. I really like the black and blue flakes. However, sunny as it is, it'd probably be better to go with green pumpkin or something, but we'll let him decide that part.
Me and old Clay Bob are about to give the people what they want to see. No. Not promising. Oh, we're good.
That eagle is pissed.
Cody's got him one.
What is dying? Is that the eagle? Fishing this little crawdad on this break. Did you catch a smallmouth? I haven't done any river fishing in a year. Oh, he bit. Oh, dadgummit, bro. I burned it and he smacked it right there by the bank. That's what I get. First cast, we had a bite. Yeah, I think that little island there would be fish stacked up on it. That eagle is pissed. Got a smallie. Ow! Chill, chill, chill. First smallmouth of 25. He's a pretty sucker. He probably, what, 6-7 inches long. They fight so good. A lot of fun to catch. Like I suspected, I think he came out of, there's like some grass under this water here, and he came out from under it. This 3/0 hook is a little much for what I'm using here, but I mean, if they bite it, they're gonna get the damn hook. I'm ready for when y'all see one of the giant perches we're gonna catch today. That fish, I didn't even feel the hit, it just kind of happened.
There he is. Smallie. Smallie. Got the camera rolling. Not a bad one. I'd give him 12. But yeah, get fine, call me. You understand?
Look at him, he's holding some bitch trying to catch a second.
Come on. Woo! Another decent one. Don't call it a comeback. Take a look at this. See if everything's still in working order. Oh, look at Cody here. Look at Cody. Ladies and gentlemen. Now look at Clay. You catch one fish and they move in on your spot. Catch up, boys. Catch up, boys. Look out, dog. Hold on, hold on, hold on. I don't know, we don't know whose dog this is. With my hook removal here. There we go. What'd you catch? Brim? Little bream. Oh, that's a good one. Maybe. No, it's not. That's the biggest brim of the day. That's a slab. That is a slab of a brim.
It's taking drag, boys. Fudge.
Golly.
I didn't even see him fall out of the water.
Look at that thing.
That's a good brim.
That's a big brim.
He'd be a.
That's a slab. Lassie's trying to catch his own fish.
Now I know why it was $29.
That's extremely unfortunate.
6-pound test. I didn't think the pole would snap first.
Is it coming back now?
My ankles ain't what they used to be. My left knee's bad.
Got anything to say to that?
No. I'm looking for the hole. We're ending this fishing trip today, and I'm sad to say I came in last. I rolled my ankle. My tee was hot.
Guess who pulled the comeback of the century? No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
I don't care what
Jasper
place it is.
had his Michael Jordan flu game for the first time ever.
Hey, you know why they call Michael Jordan MJ? Because that's his initials, baby.
Yeah, so this is the first and last time you'll see him. Thanks for watching. Hopefully we'll get Clay in shorts more often. Look at them ankles, dude. Like, comment, subscribe. I can't even speak. We'll have good shit coming out. Yeah.